Each set has a total of 6 boards. 1 roof, 2 short side panels, 2 long side panels, a base. Each transparent board has protective film. Start with the roof. Tear off the membrane around the hole. Prevent scratching the board during installation. Then install triangle pieces on all 4 corners. Note that the accessories are inside the board. The nails are pushed in from the outside. Install the triangular pieces at the 4 corners in turn. The roof triangle is installed. Start installing short side panels. Also tear off the membrane around the hole. The short side panel is placed on the outside of the accessories. Press in the nails on both sides. Install long side panels. Tear off the membrane around the 4 corner holes. Put the board directly outside the accessories. Press in the nails on both sides. Install short side panels. Ditto, tear out the surrounding holes. Put the board outside the accessories. Hold the nail from the outside. The last long side panel, also tear off the membrane around the hole first. Press the nails in turn. The side panels and the top panel connections completed. Then start installing the bottom of the 4 corners. The bottom of the 4 corners is the L key. Note that the accessories are also placed inside. Nails are pushed in from the outside. Install the accessories at the 4 corners in turn. After installing the accessories, remove all the protective film. Then put the transparent bucket on the base. Align the groove and align with the position. That's it. The last real shot is displayed.